Tukore komye mutinyo mutangani bo mwaka w'ekiri 2025 mwancho murigirira ritukerimo magega yo muwaziri w'ekisemi imensi ya Kenya omusike Julius Migosi ogamba gutangasa osegosokya amatemo y'ekirasi geikomera kabere gose KCSE yo mwaka oita ine mwancho murigirira kuruga bwasore eskuru eri wasomete eskuru ogosoma andaka nyane umorokya woigo aborokiwa eskuru eri ogosoma gose eskuru eri anjete inakiya korete amatemo gose nakiya getia machibware abo ritukore igoro ekionga CHINSA ISANO IBERE nchenga NYABOGA kuronse moye bimanyere tori nera Wilson Makori havira kariri nero kwaneke chibichana maringo ikarachira senjira yobwekirano ekionga CHINSA na IBERE togochaka kore bunge wa machoga seskuru yari okiondo yari gete amachibwa amayakegima koru mwaka 2017 wekiraboni ga yari gete entangani kago kwana nigetasi nikega nigo mu principal go somo arimo monene we skuru yuje radio rina asabe to saboro te abora kyo bari bekirase ikomi na rimo na boigo ige 12 gokoro mukya ase amatemu abo gosasa amasomo abo
Our school is posting an impressive performance, given that we continue downloading the results, but so far the ones that we have is quite impressive. One remarkable thing that I want to notify the students and members of the public, since 2017, this school has never gotten an A grade. And this year we were able to get an A plane of 81 points from Marube. This good performance, I attribute it to the cooperation between teachers and the students, between the parents and all the stakeholders, the hard work of the students. For instance, this class, we nicknamed them. We give them a name of the game changers. And indeed, they have changed the game for us. I want to congratulate them. I want to thank them for the good performance. And they have now changed the game for all of us. The Form 4, the current Form 4s, current Form 3s, current Form 2s, the game has changed. We shall continue getting what? The A's. So far, as we continue downloading, we have an A plane 1, A minus 41, B plus 61, B plane 71, and B minus 43, and C plus 11. So far, and when you look at it, it's 200. About 200 candidates. We have more than 500 that we are yet to download.
I like to pursue medicine. Specifically, I like to be an invasive cardiologist. Yeah, that's my dream, and I'm sure I'll be able to achieve it. I'm so grateful. The Lord has brought me this far.
Me with an A minus of 79 points. I dream to become one of the medics around. I want to pursue medicine, and I know that with God, I will pursue it. I also take this time to thank my teachers who have been with me. I also thank my parents who have been closely with me. I know that God can never leave anybody who is hardworking.
Na tutigarite enseme iyo ya gucoka kwa matemu gose chisemi niga mu principal gwe school ya Bunyonye gotoka ikaunti ya Nyamira Zakari Mumanyi agokeire ogocoka kwa machibu amanya gesa school iyo ya chagete ka kwana nigitasi nikiga niga mu principal Zakari atebire nige school iyo yagenderere kuimuka igoro nasi abeono yaberige kurikia amachibu amaya kegima.
Zakari Mumanyi Rioba, so mwalimu Saga, the principal Bonyunyu High School, the school to be. Abutu waitire kabisa, naende tuwaito mwako lia tokaira abana 44 university out of 72. Umwako yo naende tuwamentre marakabere abana 53 na kianda ase abana 100. Ogete kiage result itanga ni nambe yemo amatemu aito asokire bia. Ekira kito gwakira Nyasaye mbia mono. Ni elingana lindiri yakabere. Ndiringa tuwaetire buya mono naende ko bwa myaka ende yonse totanya gwetabo etwa bwata abana 157 esabana 157 tukanyorire mean grade ya 6.624 nasa abana bane igoma bwata GB plain abana 37 igoma bwata GB minus abana 48 ebabwate GC plus igabana 89 bakogende university direct abana baragende college yao abana 48 39 abana C plane abana 23 C minus abana D plus abana batano tuakorera D plane umwana oyo.
Kwa majina ni Jane Kirosi, ni mwanafunzi kutoka Bunyunyu. Ninafuraha tele kwa sababu shule yetu imepita and they have made our school shine. Ama ni aje
Mwanje murege togoskabe tokogenda ka ase school ya Nyanza bakwa asomo principal we school yo akeire abaibori abaro kigwana abaro kyabe school yo ngambye mono okobanigo babwatirana na koreta amachibu amayayo mwaka ose yamatemo ayasogete ritkerire igoro.
The 2024 results, we had the candidature of 102, and the performance was that above C+, we have 180 students directing to university. Only 2 never managed to qualify, but the group of candidates and are very hardworking. And number 2, there was actually a lot of teamwork between teachers and the board of management and our board of staff. Yeah.
Mwanje mureto korugab togosuka goika ase kenyero kanyabondo ase amate yomwaka Samuel Kebokero ya keire omo women rep Bose motenene bwa basubati ase county ya Kisii Moskedors donya buringambya mono eyemagega yo komusira omwana wabo omunyaruka Edith Moige korwa igara ase skuru ya Kablong asanyora grade ya April 8.82.
EKEONGA. I scored an A plane of 82 points. I want to show sincere gratitude to the Donor Foundation. It has been supporting me. It has enabled me to achieve what I've attained. So I would wish to pursue medicine and surgery in the coming days. Yeah. And I'm really grateful to the entire donor fraternity for their support. Thank you.
Mwancho muriano mu principal goso mwalimu monene bwe skuru ya baisike ya Rangenyo musubati Edith Manoti nere tarachwa magega asibono esokire na kwiranira Nyasaye ya mono ase barigetie amatoke amaya gosama chibo amaya ya matemu amanene atangasetwe aburi tukoregero kakona negitasi nekega nigo musubati Edith aboriri abayibori kubotesia abana anene mona abanyaruka ase amasomo abo.
Nashukuru kwa Abrahi. Jina langu ni Bi Edith Manoti Makori, mwalimu mkuu shule ya Mabanati Rangenyo. Nataka kushukuru Maulana kwa sababu ameweza yote. Ametembea nasi wakati wa likizo, ametuwezesha kuwa shuleni, tumefungua shule. Wanafunzi wetu wote wameripoti shuleni. Nataka kuchukua fursa hii kuwashukuru wazazi wetu kwa jukumu na nafasi wanayoicheza katika kuendeleza elimu ya watoto wao. Katika mwaka huu matokeo ya mtihani mwaka 2024 yalitangazwa jana, na hivi leo nina furaha kuu kutoa uchanganuzi wa matokeo haya. Nataka kusema kwamba matokeo ni mazuri, wanafunzi wamefanya vizuri na wamepata matokeo namna inayofuata, kwamba katika gredi au alama ya cha hasi ambayo ndio alama ya mwisho tulikuwa na wanafunzi 12. Kisha alama ya cha wanafunzi 18. Alama chanya kuna wanafunzi 105. B hasi wanafunzi 70. B wanafunzi 25. Kisha B chanya wanafunzi 10. Wanafunzi ambao watajiunga na vyuo vikuu nchini Kenya ni jumla ya 210. Wanafunzi wote walioshughulikia mtihani huu walikuwa 240. Kwa hivyo wale ambao watajiunga ni 30, na inavyoonekana kwamba alama ambazo wamezipata zinaweza kuwawezesha kujiunga katika vyuo vya kati. Tunataka kushukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa matokeo haya.
Mwancho murigire togo chikokorera korwa sense meyo ya chisemi gose ogosoka kwa matemo irit kure igoro ni gobono babwatani be chisemi korwe county ya Kilifi beso kirina kotoge chiskuru amana abore ko bari getia machibu amaya asa matemo ayo asogete irit kure igoro bako kwana ni gababwatani abo basabiri abarai gokonya na gusira abana bari batari kwenyara asa ko bachi basari eribegendereri asa masomo.
Unapata ya kwamba kuna baadhi ya wanafunzi ambao ni wazuri katika masomo, lakini unapata wana changamoto kama ya school fees. Ukipata wanafunzi kama hawa hawana karo, unapata ya kwamba wanakosekana shule mara maybe wiki 2 ama siku 2-3. Hilo ni changamoto ambayo tulikumbana nayo. Hilo yule mwanafunzi akitoka nyumbani akirudi kuchapa shuleni, unapata ya kwamba syllabus imesonga mbele na kukatch up inakuwa ni ngumu, lakini tulikuwa tunajaribu kuwawezesha ama kurudia kufanya kama marudio ili waelewe zaidi.
Haswa ile changamoto ningependa serikali ingilie kati ni hawa watoto ambao wanatoka katika familia maskini, na narudia tena, naomba serikali iwasaidie. Manake sisi sasa hatuna uwezo wa kuwapeleka tena chuo kikuu. Kwa hivyo tungependa serikali iwasaidie kupitia kwa basari za MCA, za MPs, governor, wasaidiwe watoto, manake watoto ni wazuri na watoto ndio leaders wa kesho.
Na ekamati ye bunge yoetenerete oborendi na boigo amang'ana ye CHINSA cheisko nigo bono yachakire kounengia abambasada bachore abo barachi gotumwa koro Kenya gochigotenene ose koro Kenya bachiko yetenera gochase CHINSA cheisko igatia bari barache kounengi wangamana Margaret Nyambura ndungu yorachi gotumwa gochia sense ya Ghana Andrew Karanja orachi gotumwa gochia sense ya Brazil na boigo ababu na mwamba oyorachi koyo wakilisha Kenya ase kiombekere kia UNEP.
October 2022 and July 2024. I consider it to have been a very special privilege to serve my country in those capacities. A unique opportunity actually to have bestrode the three arms of government, having had a privilege to serve within the judiciary, within the legislature, and the executive. Honorable Chair, I have had the privilege of receiving a number of honors and awards. In December 2012 rather, His Excellency President Mwai Kibaki awarded me the Order of the Elder of the Golden Heart, first class, which is the highest civilian honor in our nation. And that honor was really partly in recognition of my contribution to the journey to our new Constitution 2010. I have also had the privilege of receiving other awards, as I have enumerated in the questionnaire, including the Hubert Humphrey Fellowship, which is a fellowship granted by the government of the United States of America through the State Department.
Yoko nengi wakwaba abambasada abunto chiko koyebwatira na gokoyeretera asenchira yowekeranu amuntu chiko kobwatira ingencho chiskuru cyarigete amatemu yo mwaka oeta inchenga NYABOGA ensemo yebimanyerero Wilson Makori na boigo kuri studio ya kabere havira kariri nere oneke chibichechi na mayogingo ikirachira asenchira yowekeranu gendera kobwate na gochengera emirobiri ya Getembe TV kobwate bye bye tumirane CHINSA ikomi.
Getembe Television EKEONGA Kiamamogusi.